are going to be the kids that you read about in textbooks. If all our government and president can do is send thoughts and prayers, then it's time for victims to be the change that we need to see.
I believe if I knew where I was going, I'd lose
Senator
my
Rubio,
way.
it's hard to look at you and not look down the barrel of an AR-15. Can you tell me right now that you will not accept a single donation from the NRA in the future?
And maybe the adults have gotten used to saying, it is what it is, but if us students have learned anything, it's that if you don't study, you will fail. And in this case, if you actively do nothing, people continually end up dead.
But what do you say to lawmakers who did not show up? Do you think they're afraid to face you?
I don't think they're afraid. They aren't prepared for what's coming.
Democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. And I believe that the darkness reminds us why. We just want to graduate. We want change. We want change. We want change. Somebody and darling, darling.
Our voices have to be heard, and the only way that's going to happen is if we scream.
See my mom. Want to live to see my mom. Gun control must be a law. Gun control must be a law. No more students have to die.
No more students have to die.
We have to stand up for what's right.
We have to stand up for what's right.
And although they aren't prepared right now, they better get prepared because change is coming.
'Cause I've been where we need
to take charge of your lives. I am so proud of what you're doing.
How many of you guys were there during the fire drill?
We can be the difference. It all starts today with us being here protesting for gun reform, protesting to ensure the safety at our schools.
And I understand you're standing up for the NRA, and I understand that's what you're supposed to do. But you just told this group of people that you are standing up for them. You're not standing up for them until you say, I don't want
I think we finally realize that, this is enough.
In here today, you are taking a stand against complacency and against blind obedience of authority. Individuals who fail to recognize and accept the necessity of social disturbance.
This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This
The public has had enough. The kids have had enough. The teachers, the families, everybody. We are the people of America. We the people are the ones who change this country.
Using supporting detail, explain to me how an 18-year-old with a military rifle is well regulated. And the world, our country, our nation is going to grade your answer.
This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning. This is not the end of me. This is the beginning.
My message for the people in office is, you're either with us or against us.